Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all are you doing well. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, so first please get subscribed and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update for the upcoming videos and tutorials. Today we are going to learn about tuple and its methods in Python. Here I am using Pycharm and I have created one Python file. If you don't know what is Pycharm, I'll provide the link in the description so you can go and watch that tutorial and download Pycharm in your system. So let's get started with tuple. So basically, tuple is a built-in data type, okay, in Python. Okay, it is used to store multiple items in a single variable. Items in single variable, okay, and it is represented, or you can say derived, by this brackets that is called as rounded bracket, or you can also call it as parentheses. As we learnt about list, where we have used the square bracket, and also we have learnt about set, where we have used this curly bracket, and again dictionary, the curly bracket. Okay, all these is used to store multiple data items or multiple items into a single variable. But difference between set and dictionary, as we are using curly bracket here, so in dictionary we have key colon separated with value, key and value pair. Okay, so one key and one value at a time, separated with comma also. Okay, if you have not yet watched what is list, set and dictionary, I'll also provide the link of this in the description so you can go and watch that session. Okay, so basically list, set, dictionary and tuple, these all four are the built-in data type in Python. Okay, so let's get started. What are the different methods in tuple? So I'll start with the code. I'll first make the tuple. So I'll make a tuple. Let's say colors is equals to red, black, green, violet, and purple. So basically I have here 5 colors: red, black, green, violet, and purple. Okay, so let's go with the very first method, that is positive indexing. Positive indexing. Okay, so indexing means the position of your item. So I have 5 items, so positive indexing start with 0. This is the first position, second position, third position, and the fourth position. Okay, so I'm going to say print colors. I want to print green, so in square bracket I'll say 2, control plus F5, so it will print green. Okay, if I want to print red, so I will say 0. So control plus F5, it will print what? I have forgot to close the bracket. Control plus F5, it will print red. If you can see down here, it printed red. What is the reason? Because the position of red is what? 0. Okay. Now let's see how the next method work, that is negative indexing. Negative indexing. So basically negative indexing start with the right hand side. This is -1, this is -2, this is -3, and so on. This is -4 and this is -5. Depend the length of your tuple. Okay. Now same here I'm saying 0, which is printing red. But if I negative indexing, if I want to print red, so what I will say in square bracket, I will say -5, which will help me to print red. If you can see red, red. In negative indexing, if I want to print purple, so I will say -1. Control plus F5, it will print -1. Control plus F5, see, -1. It is printing purple now. Okay. Now, what is next? Let me clear this. Okay. Next is slicing. Slicing. Example, if I say print colors in bracket, I want to say 0:4. Okay, so as I said, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and so on. This is -1, this is -2, and so on, right? And what I'm saying is I want to print from 0 to 4. Right now I'm not using negative, so let's ignore about the negative indexing. Let's just focus on the positive one. Okay, so what it will print? Control plus F5. See, it is printing red, black, green, and violet. How? So before the colon, if I say 0, it will start from here: 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And after the colon, This red becomes your 1, this becomes 2, this becomes 3, this becomes 4, and this becomes 5. So from 0 to 4. So from 0 to 4, it is red, black, green, and violet. So it is printing red, black, green, and violet. This is called as slicing. Example, if I want to print from black to violet, so what I'll say 1 to 4, right? What I'll say 1 to 4. So let's say from 1:4, control plus F5. It is printing black, green, and violet. This is called as slicing. Next is concatenation. Concatenation. We use the plus sign for concatenation. Basically, concatenation is used to merge your two tuples or more than that. So I have already one which I'm copy pasting. I'm creating the next tuple. Let's say 89. Let's give any random number. Okay. Yeah. And then I will simply say print colors plus numbers, control plus F5. So it will just merge my two tuples together. So plus sign is just used to merge number of tuples you want to merge together. Next method is repeat. Repeat is I use repeat. We use a star symbol. Basically, if I say print numbers multiply by 3. Okay. So what are numbers? I will say control plus F5. So what are numbers? In numbers is a tuple which 89, 23, 213, 54 and 4, right? And what it is printing? It is printing that how many times? 1, 2 and 3. Why? Because I mentioned over here, I want to print numbers multiply by 3 times. Okay. So this is called as repeat. And the last one is membership. Membership. We use membership with keyword in. Okay. Print. I want to check whether yellow in colors or not. Control plus F5. It gives you Boolean value, true and false. It's saying false because no yellow color is there in my tuple called colors. No. Okay. Let's check which is present. Let's check for the red. If I say red, it should throw true because yes, red is present in my tuple called colors. Yes, it is present, right? So that's why it's saying true. So these are all the methods of tuple. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Stay tuned, stay connected for the more upcoming videos. Bye-bye. Take care.